For these animals, safety lies in numbers. What looks like bedlam is coordinated survival. One bat might perish, but tens of thousands battling heat and predators together keep the population intact. When it's time for a meal, a colony will move together. By traveling and eating en masse, flying foxes play a critical role in pollination and seed dispersal. As they move from tree to tree, pollen clings to their fur, fertilizing the flowers they visit. Seeds carried in their droppings spread far beyond the parent tree, strengthening forests through genetic diversity.